In this tutorial, we're going to use the sort feature using a different twist here. Let me show you how this is going to work. We're going to sort by column. Typically, we sort by row, but we're going to go across this time. And there's just a little twist here in that we have to sort starting by player, and then we have to tell the sort feature what to do. So let's take a look here. What's different? Well, you know the sort feature, we sort the contents of a range or an array. We also have a sort by. If we look here, we're going to have this sort data to one true. And then we're going to have this sort by, which is a little bit new and different. And the difference here is the sort by sorts the contents of a range or array based on the values in a corresponding range or array. Sounds pretty similar. What's the difference? The outcome will be the same. It's just your choice. Format data 212, data range, represents, we're going to go up here, we have C4 to L5. Now, this is a little bit different because now we have to go across. C4 to C5 is the name range. The score is C5 to L5. C4 for the data, called scores. Well, let's see how this thing sorts out. Data 212 represents C4 right here across to L5. Number 2, that will be what? It says sort into, it's the column starting point. We need to start at column 2. What else does it ask? It needs to be in, well, -1 is what they're asking. Sort order in ascending order. So we have to look at sort order, -1 in ascending order. Here's the twist. In order to get this thing to sort by column, there's the optional by column. And if we want to sort by column, we have to hit true. That's it. Just keep in mind, you always need to put this true feature in here and it'll sort across. And you can see it goes Daniel, Maya, and it goes from high score down to low score. So Parker shot a heck of a round of golf and Daniel needs to brush up on his game. Now the difference here, looking at this other example, sort by, what's the difference? We have an array, by array, sort order, by array, sort order. Looks kind of similar, doesn't it? Some array, we have by array. Well, that's a little bit of a twist. And you can see the layout's a little bit different. You can see up here, we sorted by just the data, but here we're using the data 212, then the score, then the sort order, which would be ascending order. So this doesn't really care about columns. It just says we're going to sort by data, 212, the score, and ascending order. So it's sorting by score, doesn't care about the name. What it's going to look at is this data up here, this C4 to L5, and then L5. So let's take a look here. We have sort by array, by array. So we're going to sort by score, by sort order, ascending order. That's it. There's really nothing. The sort by seems to be one step easier. It's a choice. We'll get deeper into the sort feature when we're dealing with rows and columns in more detail. And well, that's it. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.